It smells so good. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making something very special, and it's been highly requested by many. It is honestly my very favorite salad, and there is quite the ingredients in it, and every single one of them has multiple benefits to our bodies. So firstly, I've got everything prepared here. We've got chopped up bell peppers. There's the jalapeno peppers, and that is optional to whoever likes their foods to be a bit spicy. I've got 1 cup of boiled corn, 2 small red onions, 2 shredded carrots, 1 bundle of parsley. This is about 3 cups of arugula, and I've also got the quinoa here prepared as well. So I've used 1 cup of quinoa. Of course, to make it, you add 2 cups of water, similar to rice. So quinoa, we know that it's very high in fiber, and it's also an excellent vegan option as well as source of protein. And then the main ingredient in this salad is mung beans. So I've mixed both green and brown mung beans. And basically this one, you also use 1 cup of mung beans and then 2 cups of water, and you let it boil for like quite a long time because it's very dense, the bean. It's not a very soft texture. Mung beans are extremely high in fiber and antioxidants. So for the mung beans, you boil it for about a half an hour, and then you just let it sit in that boiled water for another half hour after to just allow it to become even softer and more tender. Yeah, at medium heat, of course. We've got all the ingredients prepared. So now we're gonna make the dressing for the salad. So we're going to add just 1 tablespoon of sumac. And I'm using a measuring cup. And then I'm gonna also use 1 tablespoon of cumin. There we go. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of Himalayan salt with it as well. That's, I would say, about maybe a teaspoon. And then I've squeezed 2 lemons here. So we're gonna add the lemon juice on top. There we go. And then I've just got some extra lemons just in case, depending on how like sour I might want it. So if it's not as sour as I would like it near the end, then I would just continue to add some more lemon juice. And then now some extra virgin olive oil. And this one, you want to do about half a cup. So I'm about there right now. Okay, and then we're gonna stir all of these ingredients together.
Perfect.
And now we are adding all of the ingredients. Here we have our final massive salad. This is good for like at least probably 5-6 people. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Please comment below what you guys think. Any feedback is great. And now it's time to finally try it. Every time it's made, it just tastes better and better and better. It's so nice and crunchy and spicy and delicious. So you guys are definitely gonna love this.